So One Piece episode 1164 delivers another emotional and powerful chapter in the Elbaf arc, picking up right after Robin and Saul's long-awaited reunion. But instead of simply celebrating that touching moment, the episode expands the story and reveals why Elbaf may soon become the center of a major conflict. The episode begins with the Straw Hats finally meeting Saul. Luffy thanks him for protecting Robin during the tragedy of Ohara, but in typical Luffy fashion, he speaks unusually formal, leaving the crew completely confused. Robin steps in to properly introduce everyone, while Saul reveals that he already knows all about Luffy and his reputation. It's a brief but heartfelt scene that perfectly captures the bond between Robin and her crew. When Robin calls the Straw Hat her true friends, the moment hits hard because fans have witnessed that friendship grow over hundreds of adventure. Uh, from there, the story shifts towards exploring Elbaf itself. Angie and Gerd take part of the crew on a tour of the Walrus School where grandchildren study subjects like history and biology rather than learning how to fight. Through teacher Ripley, viewers learn that King Herald transformed Elbaf from a nation known for warfare into one focused on education, knowledge, and trade. Ripley even reveals that she belongs to the last generation raised as warriors, showing just how recent these changes really are. An even bigger revelation arrives when Ripley notices Luffy's white hair transformation and connects it to an ancient legendary warrior from Elbaf past. The episode doesn't fully explain the connection, but it strongly hints that the legend of Nika has deep roots among the giants. The emotional heart of the episode arrives at the Owl Library. Saul brings Robin, Chopper, Lilith, and Bonnie to see a secret treasure that has been hidden for decades. To Robin's shock, the giants managed to recover and preserve the books of Ohara after the world government destroyed the island. Everything her mother, Nico, Olvia, and Professor Clover sacrificed their lives to protect still exists. Robin breaks down in tears as she realizes that Ohara's knowledge survived. It's one of the most moving moments in recent One Piece episode because it gives Robin a sense of closure she never thought possible. The knowledge that was never nearly erased from history is finally safe. At the same time, the episode quietly sets up future storyline. Lilith introduces herself to Saul as Vega Punk and reveals a connection to the scientist who visited Elbach years ago. Meanwhile, Bonnie continues searching for a way to restore Kuma's lost mind, and Lilith promises that she intends to help. The episode also spends some time with Loki, one of Elbaf's most mysterious figures. During a conversation with the enigmatic Shaggy, Loki appears far more thoughtful and lonely than his reputation suggests. Although the scene runs slightly longer than necessary, it plants important seeds that may completely change how viewers see his future character in the future. Finally, episode 1164 ends with a chilling cliffhanger. Black lightning strikes a castle, a mysterious magic circle appears, and two hooded figures emerge from the darkness. The scene instantly recalls the terrifying arrivals of the Fire Dust during the Egghead arc. Without saying a word, the episode makes it clear that powerful enemies have arrived and Elbaf's peaceful era may be nearing its end. Overall, One Piece episode 1164 brilliantly builds upon Robin and Saul's reunion while deepening Elbaf's story, preserving Ohara's legacy, and setting the stage for a major confrontation. By the time the episode ends, viewers know exactly what is at stake and why the coming battle could change everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.